Good afternoon. My name is Scott Redler, the Chief Strategic Officer at teachforlife.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友，大家好，欢迎来到本期的直击美股，我是主持人江柳，在华尔街向您问好。周四，美联储发布了对34家银行的压力测试整体评估，三大股指沉着应对。标普500高开 1.51 点，上涨 0.06%， 道琼斯工业平均指数高开 6.73 点，或 0.03%。纳斯达克综合指数上涨 5.72 点，或 0.09%。该压力测试是美国银行界的一次大考，在金融危机后应运而生。在这次考试里面，美联储是出卷人，各银行是考生。美联储将模拟一系列的金融风险，而这些银行将出具相应的资产计划来对抗这些风险。最后，美联储将批阅这些资产计划来酌情判断这些银行是否通过这些考试。今天，美联储公布的是银行业的整体评估，下周三，美联储将公开各个银行的具体成绩。共和党领导层发布了取代奥巴马医疗改革的议案，该议案重点放在了裁撤对无医疗保险人员的惩罚，裁撤自2017年1月以来的投资收入税，以及减免1年对计划生育委员会的补助，其中 United Health 以及 Aetna 都上涨了 1.6%， Centene Corp 则上涨了 2%。 具体消息让我们来采访 T3 首席分析师 Scott。 Hi Scott, the TED will release the final result of the stress test on big banks today. And how's the financial sector's performance so far under the stress test?
Well, so far the financials have had their pockets of strength and their pockets where they rally. Right now we had a few day pull-in ahead of this, so it'll be interesting to see how the financials actually react tomorrow. First thing we'll do is look at the chart of the S&P cash, which I always talk about first, because the financials will have an impact on the S&P cash, and the S&P cash is very important to track. So right here, the S&P cash, held the 21-day, and here's the 21-day again. So you should be ready, to figure out, can this continue? Can this little upper area hold, or does this ascending channel break to the downside? So I would watch and write down just about 24.27. That would be the spot. So if the market doesn't like what happens with the financial stress test today, okay, and you see more of a pullback in the financials, you want to watch that area in the S&P cash. At this particular point, what I would say is sometimes you do get a retest of a broken trend line. At this point, it's coming, a decent amount here. I think most active traders got out when it broke the 8-day, and now you're below the 21-day. So this will be the line in the sand. If we open lower tomorrow, watch 23.69. The street wants to hear them getting good results so they could buy back shares and increase their dividend. So if that's the case, I think that today's low will hold. If not, you want to make sure this spot does. If it gets back below the 50-day, I'd be careful because that could bring some pressure to the overall markets.
All right. And also we know that the Senate Republican leaders, they make a big cut to ACA, and it boosts some medical stocks. What kind of favorable factors will the replacement bill bring to the Medicare industry?
At this point, it's hard for there's a debate out there. It's hard to tell. So you want to look at the price action, and the healthcare stocks just had a major move into this. So it might be priced in. Same thing with the bios. So first, let's talk the bios because that's what traders were looking at heading into this meeting. So the bios just had an unbelievable move. The IBB just went from 295 to as high as 323. So that is a big move in bios. I'd like to see what happens here. Does the IBB hold this spot and go sideways, or does it let the 8 and 21 they catch up? But you want to identify these type of situations before they meet today like they did on the house. If you want to look at Aetna, which is a little bit different obviously, let's see what Aetna did. Aetna's had a big rally into it, so I'd be careful here. If this 8-day moving average breaks, okay, which is right around here, that would mean to me that they priced it in. So 151.25. It's been above the 8-day moving average for quite some time. So right here, just take care that they don't sell the news. If they sell the news, be careful with the healthcare stocks.
The biotech is surging, but however, we still need to be careful about the moving trend, right?
Well, the biotechs now, 5 days later, you don't chase it. You do it when, stocks break out. Like at this point, you look at the biotechs, everyone says be careful. I would say, you know what? Be careful short. When you get a tight pattern like this that has been going sideways for almost 2 years. look at this pattern here. Okay, this pattern has been doing absolutely nothing for almost 2 years or so. So it just had an enormous breakout above a key area. So that was a nice trade, okay, when a lot of people didn't think it would happen. So now we'll see if it can go a little bit higher. There's a little bit more resistance closer to 340. First move just happened. So now let's see if it could rest and give you a second move, and that'll keep traders busy throughout the summer.
I see. Thank you very much.
And thanks for coming in.
好的，以上就是今天的全部内容。更多消息，请您继续关注我们的直击美股。我们明天再见。